Let me show you how you can set up your own custom sales agent to conduct autonomous contextual outreach. Basically, not just any templated outreach, glorified templates, right? But real autonomous outreach. Callsine is kind of an AI sales agent that can help you generate actually personalized messages based on deep research and reach out across multiple channels like email and LinkedIn. It starts off at $30 per month for LinkedIn outreach, basic strategy angles, email outreach with one account, 20 net new contacts per day, analytics, 14-day retention, one part-time agent, and if you want more, you can go for $300 per month, more inboxes, a lot more contacts, so on and so forth. So let's sign up. You have a 14-day free trial, and once you sign up, you'll see something that looks like this. So first, you'll need to give your campaign a name, right? So test, okay? Objectives, basically letting the agent know what is your goal with this outreach. Do you want to like book demos, meetings? Do you want to drive for signups right away? Do you want to pitch a webinar? What is it, right? So I would say demos, other objectives, none, scheduling link. That's where you input your scheduling link, paste it. Next, channels. So basically you'll need to connect which channels you want to use for outreach. Is it just email? Is it just LinkedIn? Or is it both? Let's do both, I guess, email and LinkedIn. Next. Targeting, this is as simple as it gets. It is targeting basically your ideal customer's profile, who you want to reach out to. So you provide a few cues about your ideal audience, and your agent will translate those into targeting filters. So you don't need to fiddle around with any filters like you would do on Apollo lead database, right? Company size, location, job title, keywords, none of that. You just explain it in plain language. Agent goes like beep, 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 beep. I know, good, right? That's what you do. So examples, no examples yet. For example, CMOs of SaaS companies in the US, head of growth, content managers. You click test, and as you can see, based on this query, it found me some examples of leads that we could reach out to. So Ariella Kushan, Chief Marketing Officer, Head of Growth, United States, Canada. I approve, click next. Campaign materials. So this is basically the knowledge base, the information the agent will use about your product, about your services, about whatever you sell to craft the messages and the pitch. So webpage URL, of course. You can add your company, add more documents. So what you could do is add stuff like docs, maybe onboarding flow if you have it somewhere, your ICP, your USP, your pain points your product solves, desires it helps you achieve, all of that stuff, right? You add the more information you add, the better. So do that. Materials, test doc. Here we go. We uploaded the stuff. Let's use all of this. Click next. Instructions, basically instructions for the AI agent, what to do, what not to do. Do not send dashes, you know, all of that stuff. Like we have here, AI. We already know it's AI. Let's say focus on the differences regular AI humans. Right, next. Amazing, complete. And now your agent is warming up. Amazing. Review the strategy, test with live contacts, update style guidances, and all of that. You click finish, and now our agent has been created. This is what your dashboard will look like. You can simply go ahead to the campaign that we kind of set up. This is our test campaign. This is where we can review the content strategy of that agent. As you can see, position within as the antidote to the AI content crisis flooding social media and all of that. So agent is kind of scraping and finding leads for us. Here's the guidance, basically the rules we added. So like avoid dashes, I don't know, position, do that and that, right? Reporting, so basically your analytics, statistics of your sequences of your campaigns. And here's the activity. You basically see what the agent is doing. What does it do? Right now we see that it updated targeting, created a prospect list, it failed to enrich contact, but I mean, yeah, that will happen, but that's that. In the People's tab, right here, you will see all the people that your agent has scraped. As you can see, here are the people we scraped previously. We have LinkedIn eligible, no email eligible because I believe we did not connect an email, so there's no reason to do that. Email inboxes, here's where you would connect your mailboxes, right? And you would do that in your settings, in user info. You scroll down, you add your email accounts, right? you add your LinkedIn profiles. Once you add your LinkedIn account, you'll be able to view all the messages in this tab, LinkedIn messages. You'll see all the connection requests, LinkedIn connections. And this way, you basically set up an agent that automatically does everything for you. As you can see, it's failing, but it's trying again. It's like a kid, it's still learning. Give it time. And once you connect your LinkedIn account, your email account, you'll have outreach running on multiple channels, sending connection requests, pitching people with call to actions to book a demo or whatever you actually set up. Because as you saw, we had the rules, right? The content strategy, the guidance, what we want to do, reporting, all of that stuff. Now, if you want an alternative that actually might be easier to set up and easier to manage than Callsine.com, then I suggest you take a look at Salesforce powered multi-channel outreach in a video right here. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.